The topic of today's video is how to turn off friend requests on Facebook Lite. Now, unfortunately, you can't directly turn off friend requests, but you can sort of filter it down a little bit. Let me just show you what I mean. So here we are on Facebook Lite, and all you want to do is go to the top right hand corner, those three stripes. And then you want to go down to settings and privacy and click on settings. And then we're going to go how people find and contact you under audience and visibility. Now here we have the option who can send you friend requests, and you want to click on that. And now you'll see we have two options. We can have everyone and anybody, right? Or only friends of friends. So they have to sort of be linked to you in a sense. That is the closest you can get to turning off friend requests. I know it's not exactly what you were looking for, but it's as good as Facebook is going to allow you. So thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.